In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and pivot a table in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheet that already contains the data you want to work with. It helps if your first row has clear column headers, because those labels will be used later in the pivot table editor. Once your sheet is open, click and drag to highlight the full range of cells you want to convert into a table. Make sure you include the header row at the top and all the rows of data beneath it, so Google Sheets treats it as one complete data set. With your range selected, go up to the top toolbar and click the Format menu. In the drop-down, select Convert to Table. This turns your plain range into a structured table, which makes sorting and analyzing data more consistent. After converting, take a moment to confirm that the table includes everything you intended. If any rows or columns were left out, it is best to adjust your selection and convert the correct range before moving on. Next, click anywhere inside your new table. This is important because it tells Google Sheets what data source you want to use for the pivot table. Now go back to the top menu and click Insert. From the options that appear, select Pivot Table. A pop-up window will appear asking where to place the pivot table. Make sure New Sheet is selected. This keeps your summary separate from your original data, which helps you avoid overwriting anything and keeps your workbook organized. Then click the Create button. Google Sheets will generate a new sheet with an empty pivot table and open the Pivot Table Editor sidebar on the right. In the Pivot Table Editor, you will start building your summary. Click Add next to Rows, then choose a category from your list. This is usually a field you want to group by, such as a name, a type, a region, or a date grouping, depending on your dataset. You should see the pivot table begin to form row labels based on that selection. Now click Add next to Values. Select the numeric field you want to calculate, such as totals or counts. Google Sheets will populate the pivot table with the calculated results. If your values do not look right, double-check that you selected a numeric column and that your source data is consistent. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.